Yes, we start with sense organs. What are sense organs? Why do we need sense organs? What are the types of sense organs? So I'm able to see, I'm able to feel, I'm able to feel the taste, okay, see the objects, hear something. So all these are done with the help of sense organs, right? So based on the type of receptors are the cells which receive the stimulus. We had learned in the previous lesson, right? Receptors are the cells which receive some stimulus or some condition and react accordingly. For example, if I'm taking a sweet, so the taste bud of my tongue receives the sweet taste. So the taste buds become here the receptors. Now I touch something hot, not accidentally, I know it is hot. So my skin is feeling the temperature, rise in the temperature in the vessel or whatever is hot there. Okay, so the cells of the skin becomes receptor. Okay, so based on the receptors, the cells of receptors, we have different types. Okay, mechanoreceptor. Mechanoreceptor talks about various touches, as I said. Okay, when I touch something hot, skin is getting the reaction there, and I'm experiencing the change in the temperature. Chemoreceptor, taste. So the taste buds of our tongue are called as chemoreceptor because they identify the taste, whether it's sweet or bitter, or it's sour, or it's saltish. Thermoreceptor, again, it talks about temperature, rise and of temperature or lowering of temperature, whether it's too hot or too cold, is said by the photoreceptors. Phonoreceptors, phono, hearing. So the ears help us to listen. Photoreceptors. Photoreceptors talk about light. Eyes. Eyes will react to light. You're able to see me? If I was in dark, will you be able to see me? No, it is the light which makes everyone see. If there is no light, no vision at all, we cannot see anything. So the word photo says light. So eyes are photoreceptors. Right, children? So here we are going to talk about eyes. These two eyes, we all are gifted with two eyes. Okay, nature is doing justice to us. Human being has two eyes. We have so many things in pairs, out of which we are going to talk about only eyes here. Where are these two eyes placed? Just when I'm feeling, I want you also to feel. See here, I'm able to feel some socket, some cavity here. So this socket or cavity is the socket for the eyeball to get placed there. Okay, so the eyeball is in the socket, right? So this is the socket, children. This is the socket, and here we have the eyeball. Okay. Now, if the eyeball is in a hole like this, it will either fall in or out. It cannot be in its position. To hold the eyeball in position, we have optic muscles. We have optic muscles which hold the eyeball in its position, right? So in the orbit socket, we have eyeballs. Okay, two or eyeballs are there. Now, this is a delicate organ. Okay, these two are delicate organs. It needs protection. Nature again has given everyone whatever protection is needed for the safety purpose. Nature has given. What is here? What are the measures nature has given? Eyebrow. You know what work eyebrow does? Eyelids. What is eyelids doing? Eyelashes. All these are essential parts concerned with eye. Nothing is waste. Everything plays a major role. For example, eyebrows. God has given, nature has given beautiful eyebrows, but we think by decreasing the size of the eyebrow, we are beautiful. Actually, if we leave our eyebrows as it is, it will look more, you will look more beautiful. So my humble request, of course, at this age, you will not do it. Even after you grow, children, allow your beauty to be natural. So what is this eyebrow doing? So if you don't trim your eyebrow, it is going to do a better function or work. What does it do? So after game spirit, after playing something at home or outside, experience this. Your sweat will be flowing like this. It will flow like this, it will go like this. It will never drop into your eyes. And see, into your eyes. Your eyebrows will hold your sweat here. We do this way. Have you done? You would have done. Next time, just before doing, think and do it. So the sweat which is collected here gets accumulated here, and you remove it like this. If you don't remove, it's going to come like this and drip it down. It will drip itself down. Okay. So eyebrows work is to hold the sweat that is flowing from the forehead. That is eyebrow. Okay. So this is eyebrow. This is eyelid. What is the eyelid doing? We have two eyelids, upper and lower. We are able to move both the eyelids, though we can control. They are under our control. Okay, but at times they are not under our control. When a beam of light passes and we are facing some dust, these eyelids close themselves. That's a function, children. Eyelids help in prevention of strong beam of light, prevention of dust falling into eyes. Okay, we have two eyelids, upper and lower, both are movable, right? Then we have eyelashes. Okay, here eyelashes. Okay, these eyelashes also help in preventing dust particle from entering the eyes. Okay, then what we have here, we have something called which is not visible externally. It is inside. Okay, it is known as lacrimal gland. Okay, we have in this side, we have gland known as lacrimal gland. What does it secrete? It secretes tears. Why should tears be secreted? Does it have any function? Yes. First, what do we know about tears? It helps us to show our emotions. If we are too happy, tears come. If we are too sad, tears come. And another function is it helps in lubricating the eyeball. If your eyes are going to be dry, for example, this activity I usually do in the class, hold your eyelid for a few seconds and then leave it. So after a few seconds, when you leave your eyelids, the first wipe of your eyelid on the eyeball will bring some tears. And the tears will be produced more so that the lubrication is good. It's done well. Eyelids move freely. Because you are holding like this, the eyeball becomes dry. The first wipe of the eyelid will be little rough, painful. So this roughness will make or induce lacrimal glands to produce tears. So tears are produced and then the eyelid moves smoothly. And these tear glands have in them some antibodies to fight. Lysozyme we see. Right, children? These tear glands are connected here. Have you experienced when you try, tears come from here and here, right? So this is the duct. We call it as nasolacrimal duct. So the tears that are produced here, they flow like this and pour here. And of course, through our nose, it comes out here. Okay, nasolacrimal duct. Right, children? So these are the special structures related to eye. Right. So now we'll go in detail about eye and its part, right?